All right, hold on. Let me mute real quick. All right, so it's one of those days where storms just come in, get a break, and then another storm. We had a storm today about 10 o'clock today. Here's the second wave, one coming in from the west, moving east. No severe weather yet, or no severe yet. It's more like just another strong thunderstorm. I might actually open my window. Only reason I don't have it open is because we have the air on. But just for context sakes, I might just open the window. Since this really isn't a good angle anyways from what I usually record. So May 24th, 2024. I'll actually be right back. Didn't mean to do that. Hold on, we'll just flip it. It's like the camera doesn't justify it, but it's pretty dark. And it's only 6 o'clock at night. So it's pretty dark. There we go. Alright. Alright, hey Dylan. I will be right back. Alright, be right back. Look at this, dude. Well, you and I said you had something in common. There's always that one outlaw. And I feel like they do it just because everybody else is not in agreement with him. Like they see everybody else has like these positive views. They're like, hold on, the outlaw. And then when they get called out, they'll be like, wait, I actually agree. Hey. Did you hear that? Oh yeah, I forgot. I got my camera. Yeah, the lightning's pretty active on there. I'm just hoping my camera is picking it up. Holy shit! Oh, I got that on video. Oh, damn! I got that one on video. Wow, where was that at? 1330, that's what I'm gonna say. Wow. That got me right there. I'm usually at the part where thunder and lightning don't really get to me like that, but when I saw that, I was bracing for impact. Wow. Oh, here comes another one. What? It struck right over our neighbor's house with the basketball hoop. I don't think I got the initial strike on video. I'll check later, but the flash to impact and my reaction made it funny. I'm definitely posting that on TikTok and YouTube shorts later. Oh, another one. Damn. You heard that? Waiting for my friend to be like, close lightning strike. Oh, that one has me shaking a bit. I'm not gonna lie. I've been waiting for storms like this, man. Well, we had some good storms. We're out of town or just couldn't report them. Or they would do what they usually do and move past our area last minute. That's what Zeus is doing right now. Don't say that. Don't do it again. It's time closing. Don't do it. Don't do that. It would have been the longest yard. I'm not even playing the game no more. This storm is more entertaining right now. Oh, that sucks. I'm sure like every country has something like that. That would actually suck. Because that would actually lose a lot the or money. What? Cool. Alright, I'm not gonna try to talk too much. I know I'm gonna get that one commenter. Shut up! I'm trying to listen to the story. I'll just try to let you limit my talking for a second. So it got really dark quick. What, you can actually hear my storm shield? I don't know how the cookie for me. And it's starting to slow down a bit. I would actually be mad as hell, but that one lightning strike though made the video worthwhile though. So I'm not even mad even if that does happen. Finally a good storm. I'm starting to hate the thunderstorms where it's like you get the lightning and the thunder is just like long continuous thunder. You don't even do the boom, it's just long continuous thunder for a second. And then the boom is like later. Alright guys, I might end the video up here. We're slowly moving into the green part of the storm and all the gusty winds and rain is gone. The lightning is even as continuous like it was before. Thank you guys for watching. See ya.